7 Internet Safety Tips. 1. Don't give out personal information. Avoid online phishing attempts by keeping your personal information private. Don't give out your phone number, social security information, or banking info to someone you don't know. 2. Create complex passwords. Create passwords with a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using password managers to create and keep track of your passwords. 3. Check website reliability. Before purchasing anything on a website, ensure that it's safe. You can do this by checking if it has a small lock icon or HTTPS before the URL. The S in HTTPS stands for secure, and the lock means it's confirmed as a safe site by your browser. 4. Avoid suspicious online links. Be careful of websites or emails containing suspicious links. Some websites may use quizzes, freebies, or salacious stories to get you to click on them and then steal your personal information. 5. Keep your computer updated. Computer developers release updates to keep products safe. Keep your device software up to date so it is not vulnerable to malware. 6. Monitor app permissions. Learn the privacy settings for any device, app or service you use. Some apps will ask for permission to access photos and other personal information. Stay informed so you aren't sharing anything you don't want to. 7. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Be careful when you use public Wi-Fi. When accessing public networks, anyone can use unsecured networks to distribute malware and access private information. Follow for best tips.